Messenger, welcome to our episode. I mean, it's not really a new episode.
Welcome to
Paper Airplane Challenge.
And me and Valiotatons. No, it's not. Violetons. Me and who is she?
And my sister.
Violeton's sister. Okay, so today we're gonna show the lame to the okay plane.
Okay, we are actually doing a paper airplane challenge. By the paper airplanes we did by ourselves, and we're gonna see who can shoot the furthest.
Okay, but first we need to defend. I think Violeton is like crazy. He's like a mental problem or something. Oh crap! Is it dead? Hello. Oh, it's not there. Oh, that looks weird. Okay, let's off. Can we?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Do it. Okay. Hi, iPod.
Yeah,
If you hear any voices, I'm sorry for the background voices.
Okay, so here's our airplanes.
Okay, show off your airplane. Okay, this is my airplane. You see, you can.
So this is my airplane, and that's LIMYUHEng's airplane.
That's right. It's long, right?
So my airplane can really fly quite far, as you can see. It's just a testing.
Quite fun. Look at this plane.
That's an epic fail. Okay, he shot really far. Okay, so let's try out mine again, you know. Oh! Oh! How they will fly back to me? Okay, let's try it. Okay, never mind. Oh, mine sucks. I'm just doing a test.
Whee! Oh yeah!
I could do a really good one.
Okay. Everyone put. Give me a place.
Okay, so now I'm holding the
Where's
camera.
your
And this is my sister, and she's gonna use her own airplane with. Wait, what?
I'm gonna interview every one of your planes.
And I have no idea why she's putting a what?
A Lego friend, duh!
She's putting a Lego friend
Okay,
on her paper airplane, which looks like a passenger. Just really weird.
My hair is bold. She's bold. Okay, so this is her plane.
And this is LIMYUHEng's plane. It looks really straight. As you can see, you can really fly really far. If I can throw it, and it actually went there. Yeah, look at how far it went. LIMYUHEng's airplane is just one of the best airplanes I've ever seen in my life.
Look at this.
So where's my airplane? My airplane's gone!
You hit me.
Okay, I found my... Ow! I hate you, vacuum. I hate you, vacuum.
Look at this. I hit my... Ow.
Okay, so... Oh! Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Okay, so we're just testing out the airplanes for now, and later...
Okay, it's gonna fly very far.
Oh, yeah! Wow, we hit...
Oh my god. Oh, who that hit?
You hit nobody. Oh!
I'm gonna try mine now. I'm gonna hit him. Somebody bowled on me.
Awesome dance party!
Hey! Airplane! Okay, yeah! Hello! Okay.
An airplane!
So that's that's for today's video. I
No,
guess so.
we haven't even shot our airplanes yet.
Yeah, huh?
It's a paper airplane challenge.
Okay. Faster, let's do it.
Okay.
Who starts first? Me. Okay.
Okay, looks like my sister starts first.
Okay.
Let's see how she does it.
Okay, you don't touch your plane. Okay, now you.
Looks like it goes went there, and let's check out mine. Okay, Okay, so this time I am throwing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's try. Let's see how good I can do this time.
Okay, let's do it. Whoa, okay, now.
Okay. Epic fail. Okay. Okay, looks like
Now
it's...
I'm gonna go it. Hi.
And it's Yuheng's turn.
I think he's gonna win.
And she's out.
Yeah, he's gonna win a toad.
That's always the second round, everybody.
Okay, we are gonna have 3 rounds.
Yeah, because like...
So I won the first round.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
As expected, because I suck at origami. I told
Yeah.
all of them before this video
Okay, so
that it is expected that I lose.
okay,
Yeah, that's why.
it looks
I told
like
all of them.
vegetable.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, now sister going. Okay, let's do it.
Oh, vacuum! Vacuum hits it.
Vacuum it. Okay, now your turn.
Okay. Don't touch your airplane because it's like
Oh my god, I put it. No, don't touch your airplane, man.
it's right here. Vacuum, get away from the airplane. Okay.
Master. Apple thorns. Okay, we're gonna have second round. This is the second round. This second, after who wins is the winner of them all.
Okay.
you are the one that best.
Okay,
Of
okay.
course. I think
Okay.
so. No. I'm not that confident.
Time to show my face. Okay.
Oh my god, you're looking crazy.
Spin hand.
Look at my
Throw.
It's
Wow, that's kind of lame.
no.
But that's okay,
Okay,
okay.
where did it go? What? Oh,
Well, okay. Mine will suck.
Okay, you gonna return.
It's gonna get like that.
I cannot. Okay, Yuheng.
What?
Yuheng!
Okay,
You hurt the man.
Okay.
Fire at will. You hurt the man.
Okay, I don't
Okay,
Oh.
where did my plane go?
It's over the bed.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's right there.
The room.
And I can't see the plane and it's holding it. Okay.
Oh, that hit you. That hit you.
No.
That, oh. Okay, so
Let's
let's go today. Okay.
And we... Wait. I haven't done any.
What do you say of my plane?
Okay, guys. Just to let you know that we'll be doing all these challenges, like different challenges, not just airplane challenges, like maybe different types of challenges, like
2 days.
like eating challenges or whatever.
Whatever.
Yeah, it's just challenges.
We're gonna do it like
And this time, Yuheng won this crappy airplane,
Oh my god, he's looking crazy.
and he won. And I won second place. The second person who won. Okay, looks like I'm second.
And I am the third. I don't want to be the third.
Okay, that's
Seven face.
all today, okay? Bye, guys.
Bye.
Whoa, that was long. That was like,
Bye, guys.
look at his eyes.
Bye.
Okay.